how to buy AiSHA 256 token. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. So as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 11 hours ago and increased by 4,000% in the last 24 hours. Now, as you can see, this token trending number 16 in the base section. To be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here, open your Bitcoin wallet. For that, go to your wallet and select the base as a network from here. Click on this plus icon and paste the token address in the search bar. You will be able to see this plus icon. Click on it to add this token to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and find your token that you just added called AiSHA256. As you can see, click on it. Now here, click on swap, switch from here, and from the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDC, and make sure that you have enough USDC on your wallet. Now hit up how much you want to buy, and here you will be able to see how much you receive. As you can see, now here, click on swap, and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy AiSHA 256 token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.